வணக்கம் அண்ட் வெல்கம் டு ஆபீஸ் டெலிகசி. இன்றைக்கி ஆபீஸ் டெலிகசியில் விநாயகர் சதுர்த்தி ஸ்பெஷல் ஈஸி நோ குக் மோதக் என் பொண்ணு உங்களுக்காக செஞ்சு காட்ட போகிறேன். பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Hi everyone, I'm Shushmita. As everyone knows, the upcoming festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. For that, everybody will be busy in preparations and obviously everybody will be making Modaks, Ganesha's favorite item. So, I think Ganesha is little bored of eating the normal Modaks. Let's make it interesting for him and easy for us to make Modaks. I'm going to show you few types of instant, easy and yummy Modaks. So let's get started. The first Modak is very easy and is made with the items easily available at our home and in the shop. So the first ingredient we need for this is Bourbon biscuits. You can use Oreo biscuits instead of Bourbon biscuits. So now we have to grind these biscuits into a fine powder. Now I grinded it in fine powder. I have milk here, so I'm going to add little milk and mix it with a spoon. Make sure you have 2 spoons, one to pour the milk and one to mix, or else the milk will get chocolate. So I'm going to add milk. Now add little into the Modak mold. Now we have to refrigerate this. The next Modak is a sugarless and a very healthy Modak. So for this we need dry fruits. You can choose any dry fruits of your choice and you can add and reduce the amount according to your taste. For this I took almonds, pista, cashew, golden raisin, dates and walnut. I'm making all the Modaks in a very less quantity just to show the recipe. On Ganesh Chaturthi, I'll make many Modaks for Lord Ganpati. Now we have to grind all these nuts. Now I grinded all the nuts. Because I put dates, this consistency made all the nuts combine. So I don't need to add anything to make this consistency. I can just fit it into the mold. Press it evenly to all sides. Tap it. Now it's ready. We can remove it right away. Slowly. Ta-da! Success! Now our dry fruit sugarless Modak is ready. Now our biscuit Modak is ready. I kept it in the refrigerator for half an hour and now it's time to remove. Remove it gently. Yes! Our biscuit modak is ready! For the next type, we need desiccated coconut. Let's put it into a bowl. And we need condensed milk, 1 spoon. So now it should be in this consistency. Now I'm going to add 1 drop of pink color. Color is optional. I just wanted it to be a little more colorful and attractive, so I added color. If you want it to be normal white color, you don't need to add color. Now we have to fit it into the mold. Press it nicely. Now we can remove this. Let's open our third modak. Wow, it looks very colorful and attractive. Our next type of modak is coffee choco modak. For this, we have to add 4 spoons of milk powder. 1 spoon of cocoa powder. Now 1 spoon of coffee. For sweetness and consistency, I am adding condensed. Add the dough into the mold. Now let's remove the modak. Now our 4 types of modaks are ready. This one is the coconut modak. This one is the coffee chocolate modak. This one is the sugarless dry fruit modak, the healthy one. And this one is the biscuit modak.